Good morning. For today's Hamster Combat, Daily Cipher and Daily Combo and Puzzle Solve. But before, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay? For today's Daily Cipher is
Ganyan ka nag-live? Stress? Okay. Say, makamata kog alas 2. Ano ko? Pagka alas 3, 1 hour. 4. Alas 5, ganahan lang ko. Gani. Okay, pag
take the
kumana lang,
prize 1 million coins.
gala-gala na lang.
For Daily Combo is
Ah,
go to legal, anti-money laundering. Go ahead.
naikuan karon. Naikuan karon nga
Special
mag-live
My
Dallas
Cards
City taman alas 3.
Napinsi
Oh, nin kuan na
X
diha.
Network
Nanay gift
X
ni
Network.
Bigo.
Go ahead.
Ah,
Yun. Pangatlo si Hamster GPT. Hamster GPT ito po.
pamimbro pa diya ito.
Hamster GPT, go ahead.
Mao ba?
Ayun, oh. Take the prize. 5 million coins.
Oh,
Ayun, oh. Yan po ang ating
alas
daily
7 sa
combo
buntag. Alas 7 sa buntag, alas 3 sa hapon.
for mini game. Puzzle solve 1 minute time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Diba? Let's go.